Hey beautiful people, how are y'all doing? It is Ari here from My Healing Prescription. Of course, my voice is gone, so I wanted to make this video kind of quick, but for my day ones, I got some great news. For many of you who will remember, I did a whole 30-day challenge called Why Not Bloom Challenge. And that was where I focused on pushing myself and challenging myself to create for the sake of creating and also finding ways to make money, right? Now, after the challenge, I had time to sit back and, redo a few things. And basically, if you remember, I did a friendship book. That was day 20, day 21. I created a friendship book for a memory keepsake. So basically, it gives you options to print out pictures and to do all of these things with your bestie, for her birthday or Christmas or whatever, as a great gift. And I created this book, but then after the challenge, I had an email that said that I needed to fix a lot of things on the book so that they can be in alignment, making sure nothing gets cut off, right? After I did all of that, y'all, I finally was able to order the book. Again, if you have not seen the creation process behind me creating this book, I think you should definitely watch those videos just to see the background of what I did, how I created it, what it looks like. Now, mind you, the reason why I'm sitting in my car is because I bought this book. I bought two of them. One was to promote it, and the other one was to give to my sister for her birthday, because that's my best friend, okay? And I'm excited. It's always nerve-wracking when you open this, when you open a book or something for the first time that you created, because it's out there now. It's out there on Amazon. So it's just like, let's see. So I want to open the book. I have to take my time because I did not put my little brace on for my hand, for my finger. So I'm going to be taking my time with this because I don't want to mess nothing up. I was supposed to do a quick run to drop off an order. So now I'm sitting here because I wanted to do it in private, in a quiet space. So I'm opening this book. I'm opening my journals for the first time, y'all. So let's get it. I think this is going to look so freaking cute and vibrant as soon as I can open it, right? What? Yo. Ooh. First glance. This looks freaking gorgeous. Like, look at that. The detail, come on, because that was the goal. The goal was to get that all the way at the end and not on the back. Yeah. I'm about to open it. This is freaking cute. Please. This book is dedicated to every great friend I once knew, all of my amazing friends that I have now, and every new soul that I get the privilege to meet from this day forward. With so much gratitude, Flo. That's me. And for those who don't know, I have a small business, Glow with Flo. My middle name is Flora, and so my middle name is Flo. And you're glowing with me. So it is my skincare business, a self-care movement skincare brand. And so this is a part of the self-care movement aspect. So I created this a part of my business. And so I am Flo, right? So that's my brand, Glow with Flo. And then on the back, you know where to get your products from, myglowwithflo.com. Yo. And then you got the dedication page to my favorite girl. Now, this is a bestie book. I did make this for a girly aesthetic with the roses and the bows and stuff like that. Technically, a guy could fill this out for his girl best friend and things like that, but I'll recreate another one that's for guys. Look at this detail, y'all. Come on. I did my absolute best with these. Now, I'm just skipping over. Obviously, if you want the book, you can buy it. Now, I'm just playing. Now, these, I probably made these a little too big, but it was like, just in case. Just in case your picture is not a Polaroid and it's like one of them big photos, this actually might still be perfect, because if you do have a Polaroid, it may fit literally in here. So like, or if you want to do multiple pictures. Oh, this is so freaking cute. So I probably made these too big. So I could probably go down on those so people can write more. No, this is like freaking dope. My quotes. Nah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look, I even made a word search, y'all. I was just doing a whole bunch of stuff. This book looks amazing. So I did make this one smaller a little bit. Just a tink. But I'm obsessed, y'all. This book looks really good. It's great quality. It's really stinking cute. Okay. So that's another thing. I used an emoji right here, but the emoji is not showing up. That's what I have. So that's good to know. But the bingo, they said it was going to be cut off, but it looks perfect. Yeah, no. The crossword, I thought the crossword was going to be too small that I created. But that actually looks like the perfect size. Yeah, no, this is so freaking dope. Oh, nothing. Just making sure I give my girl her flowers. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this book. I almost want to just hand it to my sister, like, just like this. But I gotta fill it out. And with the pictures and everything, I will try and show y'all what it looks like at the end. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. But I'm obsessed, and I can't wait to show her this. At the end, I do have some more emojis, or not emojis, but clip art saying, you know, TikTok, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and shop with me. You know, to stay connected. If you love this book, email me. Technically, you don't have to email me. Just go to my website. I don't know why I did that, but anyway. I even gave blank spaces. I'm seeing a few of those blank spaces. If you want to do whatever. A little collage of something. I don't know. But it's like 75 pages to tell your best friend why you love them. This book turned out so stinking cute, and I am obsessed, and I love it. I will probably go back to make these smaller, and for my writing to give more space. However, outside of that, I think I did an amazing job. So I gotta give myself credit, because this looks freaking cute. I did this as well. So these are emojis, but you can't see them. Obviously, that's the no peeking is the monkey closing his eyes, and then the eyeballs. So I gotta go back and finish those. But other than that, this looks so perfect. So anywho, thank y'all for watching. And if y'all want to get this book for your bestie, if you know someone who loves giving out these books, definitely, please. It takes nothing to share. Please go on Amazon, get the book in 2 days for my Prime members, and just fill it out. Even if you do it, you know, even if you fill this out for yourself and then read it on your birthday. So like because I will do that type of stuff. So for my birthday, if my birthday is in, so it's October right now, if my birthday is in March, I will buy this book and I will do it for myself. I will probably wrap it up and put it in a gift box or whatever and say don't open it until your birthday, if you have like the space to put it, and you don't plan on moving anytime soon or whatever. But I definitely would put this away, because you telling yourself your favorite memories with yourself. You are telling yourself which favorite pictures of you that you enjoyed. It's a great keepsake for you, for your bestie, even if your mom is your best friend or whatever. Like, this is perfect. So definitely take the time to get this book, check this book out, share this book with your friends, because you are supporting me, a content creator, a business owner, you know, and I want to keep making content like this, showing y'all how I did this and got this done. So thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one, okay? I love y'all. Peace.